friends. Today we discuss about the cell structure. Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter what type of cells they are. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two more categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles, which includes the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane enclosed organs. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within the nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one cell or unicellular organisms such as bacteria. What are organelles? Organelle means little organ. Organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is doing and how it's going to do it. The chromatin, the tangent, spread out from the DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condensed into a structure known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm, are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER. Rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, and smooth ER doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane enclosed passageway for the transporting materials such as proteins synthesized by ribosomes. Proteins and other materials emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called Golgi body, receives them. As proteins move through a Golgi body, they recustomize into form that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding the proteins into usable shapes or adding other materials onto them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Vacuoles are sac-like structures that store different materials. Here, in this plant cell, the central vacuole stores water. Going back to the animal cell, you will see an organelle called a lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collectors that take in damage or worn out cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that breaks down this cellular debris. The mitochondrion is a cell organelle that is a powerhouse for both animal and plant cells. During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecules that provides energy for all the cell activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Meanwhile, the cell maintains its shape through a cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton includes the trach-like microfilaments, which are made up of proteins, and microtubes, which are thin hollow tubes. Some organisms, such as plants, are the photoautotrophic, meaning they capture sunlight for energy. Have cells with an organelle called a chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside of their cell membranes that shape, support and protect the plant cell. Animal cells never have a cell wall. They have many other unique structures that only some cells have. Just are few. Human, for example, the expiratory tract is lined with the cells that is cilia. These are the microscopic hair-like projections that can move in waves. This is feature helps trap inhaled particles in the air and express them with the cough. Another unique feature is some cells called flagella. Some bacteria have flagella. A flagellum is like a little tail that can help a cell move or propel itself. The only human cell that has flagellum is a sperm cell. So that's our today's class. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.